ENFP strengths, talents, and skills, how ENFPs excel. Each individual has their own set of strengths and talents, which make them unique. ENFPs have plenty of special abilities, ones which are often natural for them. They are creative people who enjoy adapting to new situations, which helps them grow and strengthen their talents. While everyone has weaknesses, ENFPs enjoy being able to work on themselves and find ways of improving. For the ENFP, there are plenty of skills they possess, which are common for their personality type. They have creative minds. ENFPs have extremely creative minds, which helps them come up with unique solutions to problems. ENFPs can also see things from different angles, which helps them approach a problem or situation in a rather unique and often helpful way. ENFPs don't like just thinking of things from one simple angle. Instead, they want to be open to options and different ideas. ENFPs are naturally creative people, so they can often be drawn to artistic means of expressing themselves. Where others might struggle to develop new ideas, the ENFP is often overflowing with them. Their minds are constantly running through different ideas and thoughts, and this is why they can sometimes appear to bounce around from one thing to the next. This is because their minds are filled with so many thoughts and ideas, and they can't always express them all at once. ENFPs often have a fun and playful sense of humor because of this creative nature, which makes them rather popular most of the time. They have this unique way of viewing things and will use this to come up with new fun things to experience. This makes the ENFP really exciting to be around since they are always ready to try something new and can often come up with fun events and hobbies to dive into. They want to be around people who can experience this with them and are willing to take some risks and do what makes them feel alive. Their creative minds also make the ENFP incredibly perceptive about situations and the people around them. They can often pick up on the tiniest details and changes, and this helps them adapt and understand things better. Where most people might miss certain details, the ENFP is often naturally great at noticing them. They can see when something is being done wrong because they notice the changes or inaccuracies with a great sense of talent. Passionate and optimistic. ENFPs are passionate people who go after what they want and don't like feeling held back. They are eager to experience new things in life and really believe in going after their dreams. This often helps the ENFP to be rather clear about the things which inspire them most. When they are excited and passionate about something, they aren't afraid of showing it and really enjoy being enthusiastic about what they feel inside and what inspires them most. Their passion is certainly a strength and helps the ENFP achieve the goals that mean the most to them. This is also something that helps them connect with others and naturally draws people toward them. ENFPs also have an optimistic way of looking at things, and this can help them approach a situation from a more useful perspective. They are good at trying to see the positive in sometimes dark circumstances, which helps the ENFP move forward where others might give up. This also helps the ENFP make their loved ones happy since they can be optimistic about the future and help others do the same. When the surroundings are a bit gloomy, the ENFP often knows how to make everyone feel a bit better and more positive. Fast learners. ENFPs can be viewed as sunshiny and positive people who focus on their feelings, but this doesn't represent all of who they are. ENFPs are also rather complex individuals who enjoy exploring new things and love to learn. They have rich inner minds and enjoy being able to absorb information and expand what they know and are capable of accomplishing. When it comes to experiencing new things and diving into a challenge, ENFPs are often very quick learners. They can see the different angles and can problem solve and adapt. They aren't afraid of the challenge and often enjoy being able to push themselves. Where other people might struggle to adapt and learn about something new, ENFPs actually enjoy taking this on. They can pick up on the details and readily adapt and learn this new task. They are truly great at learning about something new, and the fact that they can pick up these things so readily is certainly a skill and talent which not everyone possesses. This is an impressive strength that others might not always notice about the ENFP. They can be tossed into new situations and will find a way to improve their skills and adapt. Get along with anyone. ENFPs are charismatic people, which helps them get along with just about everyone. This ability to connect with people helps them find ways to approach situations without a sense of fear. They are often great at getting to know people, and this can actually help them in their lives. While other people might struggle to meet new people and make important connections, the ENFP can easily get to know new people without a sense of fear. They have charming personalities, which is certainly a strength that can help them easily navigate new situations. The fact that most people like being around ENFPs and enjoy getting to know them is something that helps them adapt and even make connections that help them in their careers and personal lives.